This video is part of a series of videos where I create a complete pitch deck presentation template in PowerPoint. In this particular video, we're going to be creating the numbers slide. Let's move on to the next chart. So once again, create a new slide. Now go over to shapes and we're going to use let's use a parallelogram. And I'm just going to insert one here. Let's change the fill to black and remove the outline. I'm going to just bring this here. Height is going to be 2.85 and width is going to be 24. And I'm just going to move this, around here, and let me move this handle a bit so that we'll have something of this shape. Now go over to rotate and I'm going to flip vertical. So I'll have this. Let me move this and see if let me just move this. So I want it to just about cover on this edge, and I'm going to move this just a little bit more. So you should have something like this. So it doesn't need to be perfect, just have something like this. Let me create another copy of this. So I'll just use Control, select the shape and drag it, and we have another copy of this. This second one, I'm going to go to shape format. Height is going to be 14.35 and width is going to be 10. And I'm going to move this handle so that we'll have something with softer edges like this. And I'm just going to move this a bit so it's just going to hang outside our slide here. So for this second one, let's change the fill. Let's change the transparency to 92% like this. Now let's trim the edges. Go over to shapes and I'm going to insert a rectangle and I'm just going to bring this. Let me increase the size of this rectangle and I'm going to bring one here. Hold Control so I can create a copy of this because we're going to trim this one too. And I'm going to bring this here. Select this shape first and then the rectangle, and then go over to merge options and I'm going to subtract. Same with this one, select this one first and then this shape and then the rectangle and then subtract, and we have this. Now let's insert a text. So go to insert text box and I'm going to type numbers. Select the entire text box, change this to Aptos display and sizes 44. Increase the width of the text box as your entire text will fit. Hold Shift and then rotate the text till you have this, and I'm going to move this to the side. Let me see a little bit. Let's now insert an image. So go over to insert pictures and we're going to select stock images. Let's give this a moment. And I'm going to search for charts and I'm going to use this image. I can go ahead and download that image. So for the height of this image, let's use 14, and for the width, well, let's go for crop, and I'm going to reduce it till it's this is 11.86, maybe a little bit more, so it's 11.45. so anything within that range, 11.5, 11.6 something. I'll just leave it like that. I'll just I'm holding shift down while I do this so that we can have focus on this instead. I'm going to close that and I'm going to move this image so that it's resting on this shape here like this. Yeah, and we have this. Now let's insert the rest of our text. Instead of creating a new text, I'm just going to create a copy of this. So control, and I'm just going to create a copy of this. Hold shift and then just rotate it back to what you typically have. Let's change the text to just Aptos, and this is just going to be $8 million. Going to reduce the width of this, change the alignment to center, and I'm just going to maybe move this up a bit. Control and shift to create another text box. Change the size of this one to 28, and this is going to be revenue. Oops. Okay, final detail is a rectangle, so go over to shapes and going to insert a rectangle, go over to fill, select no fill, shape outline, change the color to black, and dimensions is going to be 3.5 for height, and width is going to be 8.75. I'm going to align this. Let me just use this just in case. Go over to shape format, align, and align center, so we know that everything's fine. I'm just going to move this, so I'll try and, well, that looks good enough anyway. I'm just going to select all three of them, and then I'm trying to select all of them at once, right click, and then group. Now what you're going to do is control and shift, create a second copy, and then create another copy. I'm trying to, it's not really helping me out. No worries, I'm going to fix their spacing later. Let me just move this here. Let's change the digits, then we can change the alignment. So I'm going to change this one to 500,000, and then this is going to be sales, and then finally this is going to be 69%, and I'm going to make this market share. Okay, so I'm going to select all three of these. I'm going to align, and I'm going to distribute vertically. And yeah, that's it for this particular slide. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like in the slideshow view. And yeah, this is the numbers slide.